Hello, today I'm just gonna do an open box for a headset. This is a headset actually is used for motorcycle, but I'm planning to use this headset for riding bicycle. So let's do the open box. This is the brand Moman. So this is a Moman, and I got this one from Amazon. So let's do it. So this is a really nice box. Let's see what they had in there. I plan to use this headset for intercom for 2-person. So as this I will be using, my wife and I will be using this for when we're riding bike, so we can talk to each other. This is coming in 900 milliamps battery. So and it says you can reach up to 1,000 meter distance. So it's a waterproof. All right. So let's see what's in there. Yeah, they do pretty good because this is it's for safety. For the product, if this is break, I mean it's already open, so it's not break, so it's good. Besides, things come in the plastic shirt. Alright, they come in like this. Nice. The color that I pick is blue. And to control, there's the one. And then the second one. And this is the other stuff. Yeah, it's on. We'll go for the hats. Couple set. Then the headphone, and then my speaker. This is the one set, and this is the second set. It had battery charger, another battery charger. Welcome home, and the mounting kit to the hat. So that's 2. Welcome home, no problem. And we got a menu. All right, so that's it. That's the Moman H2 intercom for 2-person talk when they go riding. Actually, this is made for a motorcycle, but we are gonna try to use for bicycle. Nó nói cho nó giờ cho ngườiอยู่ตัวยังตัวรู้ใจเช็คว่าสีถารู้นะที่จะรู้นอนมาแล้วว่าตัวสีดำมาต่อซะจากนั้นจะมาต่อนะแต่สีอยู่สีเรายังต่อที่อ่ะโอเคเลยนอนซะนะขอเอาลูกบาสที่เลยนะจะหมดสีใช่ตรงเลยจานเลยจะมาที่ในเป้านะ Alright, well we test, we'll let you know.